When you search for toilet aids for wiping, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Fanware Long Reach Comfort Wipe. First up is the Fanware Toilet Aids Tools Long Reach Comfort Wipe. Priced at just $8.99, this product caught my eye as a bestseller, and for good reason. If you want extra reach and independence in the bathroom, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. It extends your reach by over 15 inches, which is fantastic if you struggle with mobility. The ergonomic design lets you hold it comfortably, and the cushion tip grips toilet paper or wipes securely. With over 21,700 reviews and a solid 3.5-star rating, many have found this tool a game changer for maintaining dignity and self-sufficiency. Plus, it's made from durable plastic and rubber, ensuring it can handle daily use without breaking down. Now, some people complained about its length being insufficient for taller individuals. Here's the thing though, for most users, the 15-inch reach is adequate, and many appreciate the added control and ease it offers. But if you're really tall or have different needs, this might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and effective solution to regain independence after surgery or injury. Skip this one if you need a longer reach or more advanced features. Overall, it provides good value for money. Now, if the Fanware's limited reach bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Vive Toilet Aids for Wiping Bottom. Next up is the Vive Toilet Aids for Wiping Bottom, priced at $16.99. What caught my attention was its self-cleaning feature and lightweight design. If you want something that makes hygiene easier and more comfortable, give this a closer look. The Vive tongs are designed for those with limited mobility, allowing you to wipe without bending or twisting. The 15.78-inch length gives you a good reach, and the silicone grip holds paper securely. Plus, it's not just for toilet paper. It works with wipes and even loofahs for those hard-to-reach areas while bathing. With a 4.2-star rating from 885 reviews, many users rave about its ease of use and comfort. However, some users mention the tongs could be a bit stiff. Here's the thing, while the stiffness might take a little getting used to, it also means they're reliable and sturdy, making them a useful tool for daily hygiene. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and easy-to-clean option that works for both toilet and personal care. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional wiping aid. It's a solid investment for independence and hygiene. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a longer reach. Product number 3, Juvo Toilet Aid. Now let's talk about the Juvo Toilet Aid, which retails for $22.99. Its 18-inch length caught my eye, making it perfect for those who need a bit more reach. If you want a tool that combines practicality with hygiene, this one is worth your attention. With an easy squeeze trigger, the Juvo securely holds toilet tissue or wipes and releases it with a simple push. It's designed for seniors, pregnant women, and anyone recovering from surgery. The soft rubberized tips provide a gentle touch, ensuring comfort during use. This product has a solid 4-star rating from nearly 9,000 reviews, highlighting its effectiveness and user satisfaction. Now, some have mentioned that the trigger mechanism can be tricky at first. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature, and the hygiene benefits far outweigh any initial learning curve. This is perfect for you if you want a longer reach and a hygienic way to maintain independence. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward design or if you need something ultra-lightweight. It's a great value for the features it offers. Now, if you're looking for a more versatile option, the next product might surprise you. Product number 4, Fanware Butt Wiper Tools 2-Pack. The next product is another one from Fanware, their toilet aids for wiping bottom, priced at $14.99 for a 2-pack. What impressed me was the value and convenience it offers. If you want a practical solution for both home and travel, check this out. This kit includes 2 wipers, each with a 15.7-inch ergonomic handle designed for comfort and ease of use. The soft cushion tip grips paper securely and allows for easy disposal without direct contact. It's especially good for those recovering from surgery or anyone needing extra help due to limited mobility. With a rating of 3.9 stars from over 4,200 reviews, users love the independence these tools provide. However, some reviews mention they felt a bit bulky. Here's the thing, while they might take some getting used to, the comfort and ease of use they provide make them worth it, especially in a 2-pack for convenience. This is perfect for you if you need more than one aid for different locations. Skip this one if you're looking for a compact design or if you have specific ergonomic preferences. For 2 sturdy wipers, it's a great deal. Now, if you're after something more comprehensive, you'll want to stick around for our final product. Product number 5, JF Care Toilet Aids Set. Finally, we have the JF Care Toilet Aids Set priced at $19.95. What stood out to me was the 4-piece kit that offers great value. If you want a complete personal hygiene solution, this might be just what you need. This set includes a curve-handled brush, a portable bidet, a wiping aid, and a storage bag. The curve-handled brush is excellent for applying lotion in hard-to-reach places, while the bidet helps you maintain cleanliness and dignity. It's particularly useful for those with mobility challenges. With a 3.8-star rating from over 1,300 reviews, users appreciate the comprehensive approach to hygiene. Now, some users reported that the portable bidet could leak if overfilled. This is perfect for you if you want a full kit to enhance your bathroom experience. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler, standalone wiping aid. For the features provided, it's a solid investment for anyone needing help in the bathroom. So to wrap it all up, we've seen the Fanware Long Reach Wipe for an affordable option, the Vive Tongs for easy cleaning, the Juvo for a longer reach, the 2-pack from Fanware for convenience, and the comprehensive JF Care set for a full hygiene solution. Each product brings something unique to the table, so choose based on your specific needs.